Hello. A trader should always look for new opportunities to make money in the volatile Forex market. Example, technical indicators on non-standard timeframes with confirmation from the xSignals service. To access the signals, we register on the site. All you need is email and password. To access all the features of the service, it is recommended to purchase one of the Pro versions. In addition to the web version, there are desktop applications for all popular operating systems. For more information, visit the website. Let's move on to installing timeframe and indicators of our strategy. The strategy uses a non-standard time frame and one technical indicator. Time frame 2 minutes. It allows you to trade more calm, scalping than the minute time frame. There is time to assess the situation and close the deal manually without automatic advices. The time frame in the basic set is not available in all trading terminals. If not, you can find the right plugin for all popular trading platforms on the internet. Donchian channel. The horizontal direction of the lines confirms the presence of a flat. The breakdown of center lines will be signal of its end. If the range is wide enough, you can open options to roll back from the borders. This method is recommended only for experienced traders. All trend indicators must be confirmed by oscillators. For this we will use signals from the xSignals service, which take into account the periods of trend reversal and the onset of periods of overbought or oversold. On the screen, trading signals and open order when the following conditions are met. Buy. Rebound from the lower boundary. Or breakdown from below the Donchian channel middle line. Sell. Opposite conditions, rebound from the upper boundary. Or breakdown from below the Donchian channel middle line. We trade orders for a rebound from only 3 to 5 candles after its start. We are sure to wait for a downward reversal of Donchian channel. The first transaction for the euro-dollar. The price has passed the middle line and is on the upper border of the channel. xSignals confirms the opening a buy order. The transaction volume in our example, 2 lots, is not a recommendation, chosen based on our profit goals of the market vision. The trader must choose the money management system himself based on the deposit size and leverage. We will hold a quick trading session and leave the market after 3 to 4 profitable options and no losses. The deal is in profit, getting ready to close. We get the first profit. The yen has a strong downward impulse through the middle line of the channel. The reversal of the lower border and xSignals confirm opening a sell order. The strategy can be used on standard timeframes after testing and adjusting the indicator parameters to the characteristics of the asset and volatility. The narrower Donchian channel, the higher the likelihood of strong movement after flat completion. The opposite situation is necessary for trading on the edge of borders. The corridor must be at least 30 to 40 points. The stochastic, RSI and MACD oscillators work well as additional confirmation. Remember the basic rule of technical analysis: the larger the time frame, the more reliable the signal. On timeframes of 30 minutes or more, you can increase the lot size and profit per trade. Complex option. The price moved sideways near the opening level. We will not continue to hold the deal, we need to close without loss. The profit is received. Do not forget that this is scalping. We need to be ready not only to wait, if necessary, we close the deal quickly. Buyers are trying to expand the market. The oscillator on xSignals confirms the possibility of starting an uptrend. The second buy order. Scalping makes it possible to make money quickly. This is its danger for beginners: you can quickly get excited and lose control. Take breaks after 3 to 4 winning trades in a row. Fast deals require constant attention and quick reactions. If this is difficult for you, choose a more relaxed strategy.
Subscribe to my channel, and also press this bell icon.
Low volatility on all Forex currency pairs. Probably there are only automatic expert advisors on the market. If the option is in profit, it is better to end the session. The last option was closed in profit. Let's summarize. Less than 15 minutes profit $117. It is the very good result.